Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and then start the restore. You must be on the same Apple ID and have iCloud Drive on. Without it, the backup won't be visible. Once done, check WhatsApp's chat backup to confirm the last backup date and size. Make sure the iPhone is on Wi-Fi and plugged into power. Then delete WhatsApp from the device and reinstall from the App Store to trigger the iCloud backup detection process automatically. After reinstalling, verify your phone number exactly as it was used for the backup. This is why matching accounts matter. When WhatsApp detects an iCloud backup, it will present a Restore Chat History option. Tap it. The app downloads messages first, then media afterwards. This can take from minutes to hours depending on backup size. While media restores in the background, you can use WhatsApp but expect slowed performance until all items finish downloading. Make sure to remain on a stable Wi-Fi network. Once restore completes, scan chats and timestamps to confirm everything arrived. Media may finish later. If WhatsApp says no backup found, stop and check the Apple ID, iCloud Drive setting, and that you're verifying the same phone number used to create the backup. If a restore stalls, restart your iPhone, ensure iCloud credentials are signed in and iCloud Drive is enabled, then reinstall WhatsApp and retry the restore. If problems persist, free up iCloud storage or contact Apple support for account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.